Learning cybersecurity is a journey of continuous discovery and adaptation. The path to mastering this intricate domain is multifaceted, blending theory, practice, and adaptability. To embark on this voyage, consider the following steps. Dive into the basics, begin with the fundamentals. Grasp the key concepts of computer networks, operating systems, and programming languages. This knowledge lays the foundation for understanding cybersecurity. Learn networking. A solid understanding of networking is pivotal. Delve into TCP/IP, routing, and subnetting. Mastering these will enable you to analyze network traffic and identify anomalies. Operating systems. Familiarize yourself with various operating systems, especially Linux and Windows. Learn their architecture, file systems, and security features. Coding skills. Programming is a valuable asset in cybersecurity. Python, for instance, is widely used for scripting and automation. C and C++ may be beneficial for low-level analysis. Security fundamentals. Study the principles of security, such as CIA, confidentiality, integrity, availability, and the principles of risk management. Cybersecurity specializations. Cybersecurity is diverse. Choose a specialization like network security, penetration testing, incident response, or ethical hacking based on your interests. Certifications. Consider pursuing industry-recognized certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, and Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. These certifications validate your skills and knowledge. Hands-on practice. Gain practical experience through labs, capture the flag, CTF challenges, and real-world scenarios. Hands-on experience hones your skills and problem-solving abilities. Stay informed. The cybersecurity landscape evolves rapidly. Follow reputable blogs, forums, and news sources to stay up to date with the latest threats and trends. Ethical hacking. Learning how to think like a hacker is crucial for defending against cyber threats. Ethical hacking courses teach you how to identify vulnerabilities and protect systems. Networking and collaboration. Build a network of peers and mentors in the cybersecurity community. Collaboration and knowledge sharing are essential in this field. Soft skills. Develop effective communication and problem-solving skills. Cybersecurity professionals often need to convey complex issues to non-technical stakeholders. Legal and ethical considerations. Understand the legal and ethical aspects of cybersecurity. It's essential to operate within the bounds of the law and ethical standards. Continuous learning. Cybersecurity is ever-changing. Dedicate yourself to continuous learning and adaptability. Explore emerging technologies and threats. In conclusion, the journey to learning cybersecurity is a dynamic process. Embrace the burstiness of this field by mixing theory with hands-on practice, staying updated, and collaborating with others. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complex and ever-evolving world of cybersecurity.